You ever met somebody that was beautiful or very handsome on the outside, but when you get to talk to them, listen to them, see the way they treat other people, you find out that they are ugly on the inside? Those are the people that you have to stay away from. It's not optional. Just because a person looks good, it doesn't mean they are good or good for you. Recognize and know your worth. A lot of people that look good don't treat you good, or you are going by the representation of money. So be careful about going by looks and saying they are beautiful. True beauty is more than skin deep. You've tuned into the Marlene Saunders Show, where we have real talk, real conversations, and you're welcome to it. If it's your first time here, hit that like, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, and you know what we say over here: real talk, real conversations, and you're welcome to it. I'll see you all on the next one.